Hello Leute, hello everyone. Myself Abdul from Germany, and I welcome to my YouTube channel Keep German. I'm a German teacher, and in this YouTube channel, I will be explaining about the German language from basic to advanced level, so that you can improve your German skills. Let's begin. This is a lesson 16, and in this lesson, I will be explaining about the sein as full verb. The verb is to be in German. It's very important. So first we'll see the learning objective of this video. We'll see the sein conjugation with respect to the subjects, then followed by how to use the sein verb in a given sentence. Then we'll see many examples with sein verb. Then even like exercise, we'll do some exercise together so that you can get more concept about the sein verb to be used in German sentence. At end, I will give you Hausaufgabe, like homework for you guys, so that you can do it and you can give me the answer in the comment section. So don't waste our time. Let's start the video. Let's see. First, I will be explaining the conjugation of full verb sein. These are the subjects, okay, as you know, as you have learned in the previous videos. And let's see the conjugation. Ich bin, du bist, sie es ist, wir sind, ihr, you guys, seid, sie sind, Sie, you formal, sind. So this is the conjugation of the sein verb. Let's move to the next slide. Now we'll see the Anwendungen, like the usage of the sein verb. There are three things where you can use the sein verb. The first one, with adjective, you can use the sein verb. The second one is for identification, like the nationality, your professional, etc., where you can use the sein verb. And the last one is by Angabe from Datum, Uhrzeit, etc. Like whenever you are expressing with a time or a date, then we can use the sein verb. Okay. Now let's start with adjectives. Sein can be used with adjectives in a given sentence. Let's see the first example. Der Hund ist freundlich. Okay, so this is the sein verb, and you know verb is always coming the second position. Why we are using der? Because Hund is masculine, so the dog is friendly. Okay, let's see second example. Das Wetter ist schön. Okay, while Wetter is neutral, so that's why we are using das here, and this is the ist, the sein verb in the second position. The weather is nice. So this is a small example with respect to the objective. Now we'll see the sein with respect to the nationality, professional, etc. in a given sentence. The first example, Ambreen is Indian. Okay, Ambreen is Indian. Here is the sein verb, and here we are giving some identification that Ambreen is an Indian nationality. Okay, Ich bin Lehrer. I am a teacher. Okay, Ich bin Lehrer. This is indicating the professional of a person. It may be he or she. Now let's see the last one, the Angabe from Datum, Uhrzeit, etc. As I told you before, that sein can be used with time and date with respect to the given sentence. Let's see some example. Heute ist Montag. Today is Monday. So in this sentence we are expressing the date, okay, particular week or a day. So we can say Heute ist Montag. Okay, ist the sein verb here, so that's why we are using ist here. Let's see. Es ist 14 Uhr. It is 2 o'clock. Okay, as we know that German follows the 24 hours time, so that's why I wrote 14, but it's 12. It's 2 o'clock. Es ist 14 Uhr. So here also we are expressing the time with respect to the sein verb. So this is the example where we can use sein with respect to date, Uhrzeit, etc. Now please pay some more attention. Now we are going to do some Übung like exercise. In this exercise I will be covering all your doubts and all the concept of sein verb. Let's start. The first one is Ich bin 82 Jahre alt. I am 28-year old. Okay, so we have to use bin. While you are using bin here, go and check the conjugation. Okay, for the sein. Let's do a second example. Bist du auf dem Balkon? Are you at the balcony? Do. While we are do here is do I indicate red because you, whenever you are using you in sein verb, the conjugation will be bis. Okay, let's see other example. Is the Zimmer sauber? Is the room is clean? Is because LCS, as you know, the conjugation will be ist. Hier seid im Küche, like they are in the kitchen. Okay, so we are using hier, so the conjugation should be seid. Ich bin nicht hier, I am not here. Bin, because the conjugation for sein is bin. Frau Samira is unten. The girl Samira is downside. Okay, so why we are using ist here? Because as I told you, for LZS we have to use the conjugation ist. Is sie am Bahnhof? Is she at Bahnhof? Okay. Sind sie im Zug? Okay, they are in the Zug. So here pay some attention. Bigger E is they and small z is for the she. Okay. S is kalt draußen. It is cold outside. So whenever you are using neutral, then we have to use the conjugation ist. The door is aus. The door is open. Here the door is again the feminine, so we have to use est. Now move to another examples. Ich bin Lehrer. Okay. S is süß. It is sweet. So when as I told you that whenever you are asking a question, the verb should be at first position, and for the normal sentence, the verb should be at second position. Du bist zu Hause? Are you at home? This because of du conjugation. Sind Sie am Flughafen? They are at airport. Like sind is again we are using for they are at airport. Sind Sie beschäftigt? Like they are busy. Salman is in Krankenhaus. Okay, Salman is in Krankenhaus. Here ist is the sein conjugation verb, so it comes in the second position always. Is in Urlaub. He is in holidays, and the verb is ist because we are using Sie sind traurig. They are sad. Traurig is like sad. sind Abdul und Saqib glücklich? Like Abdul and Saqib are happy. So the last one is es warm draußen? Is that warm is outside? We can say warm. How is the weather outside? We can say like this. So again, we are asking question. So the verb should be at first position and the subject should be at second position. Okay. So this is the example of the Sein. I have covered everything in this. So please watch the video. Again, if you have any doubts, you can give me in the comment section. At end, this is your homework. So I have given some 10 sentences. You have to convert it in German language and you can give your right answer in the comment section so that I will be knowing that how you got the concept of Sein verb. Okay, so that is for today's video. Thank you for watching the complete video about the verb Sein. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and so that you can get update when I am uploading the next video to learn German language. So thank you, bye, auf Wiedersehen, thank you.